This guy messaged me on Tinder saying, "Hey yo girl, are you a steel reinforced cement wall constructed to block water flow and provide cities with hydroelectric power? Because damn."
I don't know if anyone else feels this way, but I feel so guilty crushing spider webs because like that's a spider's home and he took forever to make it. That poor little guy, he's just trying to eat and I just ruined not only his day but his life. I'm really weird. I'm like a super hippie. How many of your friends have gotten hit by cars before?
Like, I could hit anyone.
Are you going to?
Maybe.
Do you discriminate who you hit?
No.
Thing's not prejudice. She'll hit anyone with her car. Oh, we can do arts and crafts.
I don't put Google eyes around it or in it. Get more.
Yeah, get 60 bags. Your friend's pregnant?
Yeah, I'm just like, oh, like, don't have this baby because he's fucking ugly. There's like a stream right next to like their house or something. So he just gets fresh water whenever he feels like it. And I was like,
Is he gonna drink it?
yeah.
Why does your friend drink out of streams?
It's called fresh water.
Sir, are you straight out of Barbie's dream house? Let's just see what's in her room. So this is a thing. This is for when she's not herself. That's her alter ego, Kevin. I think this plant's going to attack me. We're saying what's in your room.
Oh,
What is this?
especially.
Peach football? Weekends when Ding's an arsonist. This is for when she wants to place hexes on her enemies, except this is a phone case, so she takes selfies and then places hexes on them. You know, she worships the magic conch. Shout out to SpongeBob for starting a trend. Ding's bowling shirt.
Want that? If you want something, just take it.
You hear that, guys? I'm gonna become an arsonist because Ding is giving me all of her matches.
Oh, you have like big dick energy.
You told your friend that?
Yeah. And he was like, what the? That's a compliment. You should take it. Not like he's like, chill.
Explain it.
It's like your energy, not what you actually have. That doesn't matter. It's your vibe that counts. Good
Vibes or leave my house.
Fuck you and your bad vibes.
What do you call this creation?
Call it getting crafty.
Won't you like your kid regardless?
No.
Why not?
My kid's an asshole. He's an asshole. I'll do my best to try to not make them an asshole.
But what happens if you fail?
Sometimes you just come out like that.
Hi,
today we're getting baked.
We're going to do this challenge blindfolded because everything is more exciting when you have no idea what is going on. And she's going to guide me with her voice.
I got this.
Where's the bowl? Okay. Describe to me where it is.
Okay, it's on the table. Girl.
What? There's a sink there. I didn't know. Each do a part blindfolded.
So you're supposed to, you can
Let's
use
do this?
scissors blindfolded.
These aren't cut.
Okay, it's fine.
Okay,
It is
okay, I got this. I got it.
Substance.
The substance.
You're shaking it too much. You're getting it everywhere. Okay, stop. Damn, help me. Shit, I'm black. We don't do this.
1 1/4 cups of water. And now reach for the sink. And you're gonna fill it to the 1 cup line. Okay, stop. Turn it around. Oh my god, we did exactly 1 1/4. Okay, find the bowl to your right.
Okay. And pour the cup.
And pour it.
I'm gonna find the eggs now.
Go ahead. We're gonna crack it into this cup.
2 eggs.
Okay, no, 1 at a time. Do you know how to crack an egg?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, you didn't
I'm black. We crack eggs for a living.
Find the garbage. I like your dance. Maybe you should just crack all the eggs.
Yeah?
Yeah. You walk like an old lady. Why are you walking like that? Is there a reason?
It's about.
Okay. Put the eggs down. Don't harm any more eggs. Put it away.
Oh.
Okay, now, no! Hold it firmly and put it in the mix, which is below you. Pour it. Okay, oh, don't break it.
Am I free now? Am I free?
Yes, it's my turn. Where's the butter knife?
Okay, so no, that's a scissors, sweetie. Please don't kill me.
I'm gonna cut 1/3. Is this a third?
Yes. Oh my gosh. Disastrous among disastra. Right here, right here. Don't move it. Don't move it. No. What happened?
We're supposed to melt the butter.
Deeper down deeper, down deeper. God Jesus, 15. That's 6 seconds. I need this to be over.
Would you recommend doing this blindfolded challenge to anyone else?
If I were to think about it real good and hard, no. Right here, no.
You're gonna mix hard, but not so hard that it flies out of the bowl. Okay, keep going. Larger circles. Does this remind you of anything?
Yeah.
What?
My life's not going good. I am the chocolate. This is my family right here. What are you talking about? Okay.
You're doing a good job. Did I get it?
Yeah, you got it. Just push it in. Yes.
2.
Work.
Go up. Give me a victory dance. We did it.
Hey. Like, comment, and subscribe if you're not racist.
Do it.